Well, hello and welcome. I'm Kay Mortimer, Enrolled Agent, and I have over 26 years of experience in accounting and tax, and I'd like to share some things with you over several videos here that will help you as we get geared up again and we get near tax season for 2014 taxes in the year 2015. And today what I want to share with you is something that's brand new. This just came out, and I hope it'll be of help to you. The IRS just released two brand new publications. They are publication 5185 and 5187. And these are in reference to the ACA Act, the Affordable Care Act, provisions in regard to the health care laws, the new laws that have come into play. And so I wanted to share a little bit of overview about those and let you know about them, and hopefully that will be of help to you. Publication 5185 gives information about the Individual Shared Responsibility Program. And so I just want to let you know a little bit about what that does. It's a basic brief brochure, and it tells you some information about that. The overview of the ACA provision for the Individual Shared Responsibility Program is that you must have qualifying health care coverage, which is also referred to minimum essential coverage. If you do not have that, you either have to qualify for an exemption from it, those exemptions are explained in detail in IRS Publication 5172, or you would pay an individual shared responsibility program payment with your income tax return when you file it in 2015 for the year of 2014. If you have it, it's just a simple matter of checking the box on your tax return to verify that you do have it. If you qualify for an exemption, then the publication 5172 gives you more information about how those apply. Some exemptions you must receive only through the marketplace, and some you can receive through the Internal Revenue Service by way of filing your tax return and claiming that and marking for that. And some are available either way. So there are several different exemptions, and in another video I'll cover those. But for now, if you qualify for the exemption, then whichever one you qualify for will determine how that has to be treated. Some of them will be applicable to your income tax return. If you have to pay the Individual Shared Responsibility Program, it's based upon a percentage of your income or a flat amount figure, whichever is the greater of the two. And what you would be responsible for is for however many months you did not have coverage in 2014, you would pay 1/12 of the annual ISRP payment for each of those years that you did not have coverage. As I said, it is the greater, and it is the greater of either 1% of your household income that is above the filing requirement, or it's a flat fee of $95 per adult and $47.50 per child, but it is limited to a maximum in 2014 of $285 total for you. Now, the income above the filing requirement is applicable if you don't have to file your tax return. That is one of the exemptions. If your income is not high enough that you have to file, that does qualify you. That's one of the things that can qualify you for an exemption. If your income is above the filing requirement for your filing status, then you would pay the 1% on the difference between the filing requirement and what your actual annual household income is per your tax return. and the ISRP payment that you're due would be calculated from 1% of that or these flat amount rates up to the maximum of $285. Now keep in mind that in future years, for 2015 for instance, for 2016 and beyond, those ISRP payment limits are going to drastically increase. Okay, so just keep that in mind as well. This ISRP is capped at the national average premium for the bronze level health plans through the marketplace in 2014. And that figure is available as well through the Internal Revenue Service and through information on the marketplace. You may or may not qualify for a premium tax credit, and we'll cover that in another visit as well. But today I just wanted to give you information as an overview of Publication 5185. Publication 5187, the other one that's brand new, goes into more detail. It gives much more of an ACA overview and many more other specifics, and I'll be addressing that in another video as well. I thank you for joining me. I trust that this has been a blessing to you and you've received some help toward preparations for your 2014 income taxes.